Gearheads, today we're diving into one of the most radical performance machines ever conceived, the 2023 Czinger 21C. Coated in a sleek silver finish that mirrors the future it represents, this American hypercar isn't just turning heads, it's turning the entire automotive industry on its axis. The front end of the 21st century is a masterclass in aerodynamic aggression. A low, sharply contoured nose slices the air with purpose, flanked by angular LED headlights that seem to glare with intensity. The sculpted carbon fiber splitter and active aero elements immediately signal, this isn't a road car pretending to be a race car. It's a race car that dares to exist on the road. From the side, the Czinger 21C shows off its most unique feature, the fighter jet-style tandem seating. The driver sits front and center with the passenger directly behind, creating the narrowest and most efficient cockpit in the hypercar world. At the rear, the drama cranks up. Twin vertical exhausts pierce through the center like rocket boosters, while a massive active wing adjusts to cornering and speed. The LED strip tail lights stretch across the body, giving the rear a futuristic glow. And the diffuser? Let's just say it looks ready for a lap record attack at any moment. Inside, the cockpit is unapologetically focused. Exposed carbon, digital gauges, and fighter jet-inspired controls create a space that feels more simulator than street car. And speaking of performance, under the skin lies a hybrid V8 engine paired with electric motors, delivering an astonishing 1,250 horsepower. The 21st century rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, with a top speed that dances past 250 miles per hour. The Czinger 21C isn't about fitting in. It's about standing out. It's a rebellion against convention, a glimpse into the future of performance, and a challenge to every supercar that's come before. Love crazy innovation and bleeding-edge speed? Smash the like button, subscribe for more wild rides, and let us know. Could you handle the Czinger in full attack mode? See you in the next episode.